This is my review of the Kenmore 31140 pet-friendly vacuum. So if you got pets, this vacuum is a must-have, really. It's lightweight but powerful, and the triple HPA filtration keeps allergens at bay. The pet handymate tool is perfect for tackling pet hair on the furniture, and the telescoping one makes it easy to reach high spots. You can see it over here. Looks good. It's a bit big, to be honest, but yeah, it's doing the job okay, so we don't mind that. It's reliable, no fast vacuum that works great on both carpets and hard floors. So I've used it for a couple of months, and I have 2 dogs at home, so you know the struggle, but this really does the job well, and I can only say good words. If you think about it, you have my recommendation. Great product.